Well, taking a look outside, it's like the calm between the storms, if you will. We are post-rain and pre-snow here in southern New England tonight. And as we put the day to bed, know that we did make up a pretty decent amount of our rainfall deficit, but we still haven't quite made it up to normal numbers. That number, 2.38 inches. Right now, we're standing at 0.76. Temperatures today started cooler than average, but topped out warmer. Now, as we take a look ahead, things are going to be changing. Tomorrow, we're going to start with dry conditions and then give us a chance of showers in the afternoon, like after 3. But as we get towards the evening, we're going to see a rapid temperature drop, and that should kick rain over to snow as we go to Sunday evening, lasting through the overnight into early Monday morning, ending pre-dawn and even clearing. But what follows that will be an Arctic blast that will bring the coldest air that we have seen yet this winter season. So right now, we're not there yet. In fact, we're weirdly warm. We have temperatures way above the average, holding in the 40s for everyone across the region. And our winds are generally light across the region with the exception of the Outer Cape, where we have been experiencing wind gusts near 40 miles per hour. The last of the rain is also about to exit the Cape and also the Vineyard, and behind it we do have some clearing that will take place. And that's where tomorrow morning's early bout of sunshine is going to start. But even before we see any flakes fly, we have a winter storm watch that has been issued for a portion of our region in the area shaded in blue, and this goes into effect at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon through 7 a.m. Monday for the potential of hazardous road conditions. That's why the winter storm watch gets issued. For slippery roads, overpasses and bridges, and also the Monday morning commute could be at risk, so it is a forecast you're going to want to pay real close attention to. So our futurecast shows as we go through tonight, we are going to see those clouds roll in. Sunday afternoon, the clouds will thicken up too, and that brings us to the evening. This is when the cold air starts to come in, starts to kick everything over to snow, and of course the areas that get into the snow earliest will see more snow totals, where along the coast you'll be the last to see it and are expecting lower totals there. So that's how it's expected to play out. We chill way down once we get to Monday. Look at these temperatures at 9 a.m. in the teens for everyone. And that's not going to be the coldest day that you're going to see this week. Before we get too much further, how much snow can you expect? Well, in the interior, the first places that kick over to snow or even start it from snow, we'll see 4 to 6 inches. There are a couple of models that tend to be fairly accurate, and they're going for close to 7 in areas as you get closer to Worcester. So that's not out of the realm of possibility, but what most of the region will see will likely be on the order of 2 to 4 inches. Along the coast, we should see a coating to 2. So our feel-like temperatures are then going to become the big story. These aren't the air temperatures, it's the air with the wind factored in, and Tuesday morning it's going to feel double-digit sub-zero, and it goes even colder as we look to Wednesday morning, where temperatures will once again feel double-digit sub-zero in portions of southern New England. The actual air temperatures will be in the single digits, by the way, until we get to Friday morning. So an Arctic blast to be sure. For tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be near 31 by the time we get to dawn tomorrow, and that's why we have the potential of seeing some slippery roads, particularly during the overnight time frame. Tomorrow highs will be in the 40s, so anything that comes in the afternoon starts liquid, temperatures drop, and then kick it over to frozen. And frozen is where we stay. Take a look at your extended forecast. Lows in the single numbers as we look to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning. Friday, we finally begin to pull out of the doldrums that we're going to be stuck in with that bitter cold Arctic blast.
Wow. On one hand, I'm excited because we haven't seen good snow in quite some time.
Yeah.
On the other hand, these are seriously low temperatures.
Yeah.
That we need to be prepared for.
Honestly, dangerously low temperatures.
Yes.
When you have temperatures like this, it puts you at risk for frostbite and hypothermia.
Yeah. So we have all those emergency warming shelters on our website.
Yep.
People can find those, abc6.com. Other than that, you'll need your gloves, scarves, hats, coats, everything this week.
Check in on your people.
Yes.
They'd love to hear from you anyway.
All right. Thanks, Kelly.
Sure.
Ian.